It is often seen that everything goes well in the life, and sometimes suddenly everything changes and bad things start to occur which can never be imagined. There can be many reasons for this, such as ill effects of planets in the horoscope, or evil eye, or entry of negative energies in the house. To reduce these negative effects and uncertainties in the life, there is a miraculous thing that will help you to remove evil eyes and improve your financial status in the society. That miraculous thing is black turmeric. Black turmeric is a type of turmeric which is more useful in astrological remedies. For example, if there is any financial problem in the house or the child has to be protected from evil effects. Many problems can be solved using black turmeric. But to take advantage of black turmeric, it is important to energize it. Let's see how to energize and use black turmeric. The origin of the black turmeric is the bank of Godavari river in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. In this video, we will tell you how black turmeric can change your bad days and how to energize black turmeric to obtain its miraculous benefits. Remember, whatever process you follow for using black turmeric, do it with utter sincerity and faith. You will certainly get a positive outcome. How to energize black turmeric? Take a bath on the Ashtami of Shukla or Krishna Paksha before the sun rises. Wear clean clothes and sit facing east. But remember to choose a place to sit from where you can easily see the sun. After that, place the whole black turmeric on new red cotton cloth and worship it with some dhoop and lit a lamp, meaning a diya, using sesame oil or some ghee and offer some flowers to it. After worshipping the whole black turmeric, close your eyes and chant the mantra of Lord Surya, Om Reem Suryaya Namaha, 108 times using red sandalwood mala having 108 beads. Follow this practice daily till the next Ashtami. Remember to keep a fasting on Ashtami and offer some food to needy and poor people. In this way, the whole black turmeric will be energized. Tie this energized whole black turmeric with Nag Kesar in a new red cotton cloth, or you can put it in a silver box also. Apply red vermilion, meaning sindoor, on it, and after that keep this wrapped cloth or silver box in your money locker at home or business place to increase your wealth. Remember, you need to chant the Lakshmi Kuber mantra or Gayatri mantra continuously while doing this ritual. Try to worship it every day for fast result. If you do not get enough success in your job and business, or you are unhappy with the money you are earning, then you can enhance money flow by using black turmeric. There is one more remedy to improve your money flow. Get 1 teaspoon holika ash and energized whole black turmeric and silver coin or any small piece of silver. Wrap all these things in new yellow cloth and keep it in your puja room. Worship this every day to raise your income. You can make a paste of black turmeric, saffron and Gangajal and draw swastik with this paste on the main door of your house and business place. Wrap some whole black turmeric in a black cloth and hang it outside the main gate of the house. It will protect your house from evil eyes and there will be peace and happiness in the house. Also apply black turmeric paste in the middle of your eyebrows to improve your health and increase your wealth. You can also do it before starting important tasks. It will increase the chances of getting success in the work. To reduce the ill effects of planets and black magic and evil eye, make 7 to 9 small pearl-sized balls of energized black turmeric and arrange them in the black thread and wear it. Change these balls once in a month. Black turmeric spreads divine energy and absorbs bad energy. It is very influential. Energized Siddha whole black turmeric gives outstanding results in safety from evil eye effect. It is usually helpful to develop business or to get promotion. Energized Kali Haldi kept in home temple or worn on your body are one of the most positive lucky charms one can have. This way, you will get blessings from Lord Vishnu and stay protected from evil spirits and negative energies. The color of the real Kali Haldi varies from blackish red to dark black. It is suggested to use this item just for puja sadhana. If the child is suffering from evil eye, then tie black turmeric in a black cloth and move it around 7 times over a baby's body from head to toes and throw it into the flowing water. Soon, your child will be okay. If the member of the family is continuously getting sick, then take small piece of black turmeric, chana dal, jaggery and mix it with some wheat flour to make 2 balls. Move these balls 7 times over patient's body from head to toes and feed it to a cow. Do this on a Thursday. This will help you to solve the recurring health problems. But do not stop medical treatment during this period. If you're facing continuous loss in your business, then tie together black turmeric, 11 Gomti chakra, silver coin in a yellow cloth, worship it and chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudeva Namaha 108 times to energize it. Keep it in your money locker, it will give you success in business. If your business is related to machines and the machines facing technical problems frequently, then draw swastik on the machine using black turmeric paste, some saffron and Ganga Jal. Your machines will work smoothly. Black turmeric or Kali Haldi is not used for eating but in worship it is used. It is a belief that wherever Siddha Kali Haldi is present, prosperity comes there.
That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit, God bless you.